Hey, what's happening? It's Firefighter Pete from BackDraft BBQ. Today we're going to review a new product on our channel, a pizza oven. Let's go. Oh, there's been quite a push recently for pizza ovens, and you can go to the hardware store and buy them. There's a couple different brands. I have been a big green egg guy for a long time. I like the Kamado cookers because you can grill with them. You can make pizza on them. And they do a pretty good job at everything all around. I personally have made probably, I don't know, at least 1,000 pizzas on my eggs. You know, I've gotten used to them. But I had a manufacturer ask me if I'd be willing to try their pizza oven that they've made and give them some feedback. So this is what this video is about. Bighorn Outdoors sent me a pizza oven to review for their channel. And because I don't have my outdoor kitchen set up yet, I haven't actually been able to cook pizza in my new house. So this is kind of an exciting day. I mean, a day without pizza is a pretty sad day. I'm not getting paid to make this review. This is a review solely based on the product, but this is what it looks like. This is the Bighorn pizza oven, and I will put a link down in the description to the Amazon store. They make two sizes. This one is the larger of the two, so you can make like a 16-inch pizza on it. But the construction is 100% stainless steel, and I've reviewed quite a bit of products before, and I can tell you right now, there are some pretty cheap products out there. This is not one of them. This is well made. Let me give you a little tour. First off, assembly super easy. You basically put the handles on, the smokestack on, unwrap the stone, and put the firebox in, and you're good to go. This one runs 100% on barbecue pellets. You've got a really nice flat stone surface, and if you look way back there, you can kind of see the firebox. I'll show you a better view in just a second. The door itself is high quality double wall stainless construction with a little glass window. There's a built-in thermometer, and it essentially fits in on a lip and just sets in place. It's very, very sturdy. The smokestack comes off for easy moving. If you decide you want to bring this to a barbecue, you just basically untwist it and lock it back out. There's also a little cap that goes on the top to keep rain and also keep flames from shooting out and burning down your house. We'll go to the back of the unit just to show you the firebox pellet hopper. I don't have any pellets in the hopper itself right now, but you put the pellets in here once it's lit, and that will run. This does not run on, they do have a propane version, but this one does not run on propane. It just runs on pellets, which is what I wanted. And then the firebox goes right here. Again, everything is stainless steel. I loaded this up with pellets to light it in the very near future. We're gonna make a pizza today. I'm super excited if you can't hear it in my voice. What type of pellets do you want to put in this? The instructions say you basically just want to put in pellets that you'd use for running a barbecue grill. So I bought some Traeger pellets. There's so many different varieties, but I'm not using the ones that you would obviously use in your house because you don't know what those are made out of. Let's fire this up and see how it works. I think it's kind of like a no-brainer here, but with a grill, you don't want to, especially with something that's got like an oven situation, you don't want to put like lighter fluid or anything on here because you're going to be eating that, which is not good. I am actually just going to use my propane torch that I use to always light my grills. You could probably use a fire starter of some sort, but just nothing petroleum based. The instructions say to light this in the corner, like so, and pellets light pretty quick. They just take a little bit to get going. All right, I'd say that's pretty good. And now let's put this right in here. And we should get a draft pretty quickly. We do, boom. We got smoke showing, bud. All right, it said to leave this grate open until we get up to temperature, and it said it'll take about 15 minutes to get up to temperatures. This thing's carrying the mail. I love it. Interestingly, while I'm waiting for this to come up to temperature, I'll tell you one thing. The instruction manual is super easy to understand and read. Whoever wrote that, I tip my hat in your general direction because it was not confusing at all. The other thing I really like about it is it tells you how to cook steak in this thing. You can cook a steak in like 90 seconds once it's up to temp. So I might have to try that for scientific research. While we're waiting for this temperature to get up, I'm getting quite thirsty. So it's now time for a Sam Adams cold snap because it's so stinking hot out here, bud. Delicious and refreshing and good for you. The manual said to let it get up to between 600 and 800 degrees. You don't have to go ridiculously hot. We're getting there. We're at 300. And it said to take a thermometer and measure the pizza stone temperature, and we're actually up there. But what we're supposed to do is add some pellets to that to keep the fire going because I can see that it's getting down there and I didn't add it quick enough. It comes with a little scoop actually. And then you just close the lid. Smoke showing already, bud. Smoke showing. I could watch that all day. It looks like we're up to temperature. I'm gonna pull this down. Pizza going in, buddy. Wicked good. Here we go. After about 60 seconds, you want to open this up and flip it around in the oven. She's cooking good, buddy. Wicked mint. 90 seconds are up, bud. What in the world? Look at that thing. This is going to be good. I can't wait to cut into this thing. Bubbling cheese, cardiology 101. All right, let's try this. The undercarriage is pretty good. I'd like it to be a little bit darker on the bottom, but the pepperonis were starting to get mighty black. Oh, that's good. That's really good. It's even got a little crisp. I can't believe how fast this pizza cooked. It literally was done in like 2 minutes. That's insanity. Well, listen guys, thanks for joining me for this great Pizza Friday video. I'm gonna throw the link in the description for this. If you use the link, it really helps our channel out. Doesn't cost you anything else. I would definitely recommend this product. Again, not getting paid to say that. Just got one of these units to try because I kind of want to get back into pizza and my eggs aren't set up yet. Until next time, grill safe and have some pizza, okay? Life is short.